Hey crypto enthusiasts! Let's face it, the world of crypto can be confusing, especially when it comes to finding the right platform to buy and trade your favorite coins. Today, we're diving into a question many Canadians have been asking: does Wealthsimple offer Tether, also known as USDT? For those unfamiliar, Tether is a popular stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency pegged to the value of the US dollar. This means, in theory, its price should always be around $1, making it a good option for crypto investors seeking some stability in the often volatile crypto market. So, if you're a Canadian investor eyeing Tether, can Wealthsimple be your one-stop shop? Let's unpack the situation. Wealthsimple and crypto, a bit of background. Wealthsimple has become a popular platform for Canadians looking to invest in traditional stocks and ETFs. But what about crypto? Well, Wealthsimple Crypto is a relatively new addition, allowing users to buy and sell a select range of cryptocurrencies. This is where things get interesting. While Wealthsimple offers a convenient and user-friendly platform for crypto trading, it doesn't boast the most extensive selection of coins. This is likely a strategic choice, with Wealthsimple focusing on established cryptocurrencies with a proven track record. The case of Tether, why it might be missing. Now, back to our main question, Tether. Here's the deal, you won't find USDT listed on Wealthsimple Crypto. There are a couple of reasons for this. Regulatory concerns. The Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, the governing body for securities in Ontario, Canada, has a cautious stance on certain cryptocurrencies. Tether, unfortunately, falls into this category. The OSC has raised concerns about Tether's backing, specifically whether it truly holds enough US dollars in reserve to maintain its $1 peg. These regulatory hurdles likely prevent Wealthsimple, a registered platform, from offering Tether. After all, they wouldn't want to list a coin facing potential regulatory scrutiny. Focus on established coins. As mentioned earlier, Wealthsimple Crypto prioritizes established cryptocurrencies with a solid reputation. Tether, despite its popularity, has faced controversies regarding its transparency and reserves. So, Wealthsimple might be playing it safe by sticking to coins with a clearer track record. Alternatives to Tether on Wealthsimple. While you can't buy Tether on Wealthsimple, there are good news. Wealthsimple Crypto offers a few other stablecoin options, including USD Coin, USDC, another popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. USDC is generally considered a more transparent and reputable stablecoin compared to Tether. The final word, exploring other options. If your heart is set on Tether, Wealthsimple won't be your platform. However, with USDC and other stablecoin options available, Wealthsimple Crypto can still be a valuable tool for Canadian crypto investors seeking some stability in their portfolio. Remember, the crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and regulations can change. It's always wise to stay updated on the latest developments and do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.